Hey, what's up everybody, this is Yoshkins. In today's video, I want to show y'all a really cool Snipers Only mosh pit playlist that happened in Black Ops 7 multiplayer not too long ago. And this is basically just me just using pure Snipers weapons only. As you expect, like no lethals, no tacticals, no score streaks, all that stuff, just pure Snipers only. And I would say this has been the most fun I've had in a while in Black Ops 7 multiplayer, at least from in my personal experience, because multiplayer is just all about shooting and killing each other with anything you could possibly imagine with weapons and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I would say though, this is really like I've never been more excited to try this mode more than ever. When I first I'm pretty sure the last time I seen this mode was in Black Ops 6, and I don't think I've really got. I don't remember playing that because honestly, it was like I think it was at the very end of the game's life cycle, and that was like pretty much like where the game was like pretty much like finished and all that. And it's like, yeah, I'm pretty much done with this game and all that. But yeah, back in Black Ops 7, they added it back, and it seems like it's really, from what I can tell, it's more like balance. Well, I wouldn't say balance in Call of Duty standards, but I love how like it's just snipers only. Like as you expect, like all the snipers in the game are allowed except for any other weapon. But yeah, I will say though, the lack of uploads have been kind of like, I know y'all probably wondering why haven't been uploading recently. That's because it's just been real life job and all that kind of stuff, and I've been lazy and all that, and it's really been slowing me down and all that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. And I hopped on multiplayer tonight because I heard some pretty interesting news that came out in the game, and that's the Snipers OE playlist. And when I first saw this, when I hopped on here, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta make a video on this because I think the sniping on this game is really fun. Oh my gosh, I just cannot wait to do this. I've been wanting this to happen ever since I've been using the recon sniper rifle that I love using. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was like a no scope. I'm so gonna be excited to play this more often. Oh, yeah, like I said, I love sniping in this game. That's very ironic, that gamer tag, absolute sweat. Oh my gosh, dude. This is gonna be very fun, I can already tell. Where do you think you're going? Yeah, this is gonna be so very fun. I can already tell. And they're probably mostly using the DLC snipers. I will say though, it is kind of annoying. The only valid thing you could really have on for like field upgrades or score streaks is like UAVs, all those other things. That way you can see the enemies better. But I understand what they're going for, and I love it. I'm not complaining. Might be very hard for me to actually land like a thing or two. I hope this doesn't go away in the game because I love this. Okay, dude, what are you doing? It was like he was hard scoping camping. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is very fun though. Can they keep this playlist, please? Because I love this. Now, I would not say I'm the best when it comes to sniping, of course, but I'm pretty decent at it. Then again, I love hitting quick scopes in this game. Well, I love hitting quick scopes in general, but as you can see, I'm absolutely getting shipped on right now. Someone here. Yeah. I was trying to no-scope that guy on purpose, but I kept failing. Yeah, as you can see, there's gonna be people like that that are just instantly... Yep. I feel like this map's not the best for pure snipers. Dude, what are you doing? That's actually a problem. Like, what are you doing? Just sitting there waiting for what? Like, what are you waiting for? Oh, I thought I got a collab for a second. I feel like most of their team is just hard scoping like that, which is really annoying, and it kind of defeats like the fun sniper experience. Up. Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh, I had to reload! That was amazing. I don't know how else to describe that. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is why I love like playlists like this, where it's like snipers only, nothing else, because you can do stuff like that, and they can't do anything about it except trying to snipe you back. It's so fun. I absolutely love this. I really hope this doesn't go away. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh, they look like they lined up for a triple. You know, I feel like DLC snipers like that kind of just take the fun out of it, because they're usually just way better in performance than default weapons. I don't know. I just don't like DLC weapons like that. Like, it feels like they just scope it way too quickly just because they're classified as a seasonal weapon. Yeah, see? Like that. But it is a sniper after all, so can't go wrong with it. No. Oh my gosh. There was like 3 of them. There was no way I could have got like a clip or something. Oh. Someone got a nuke? Oh my gosh. Well, there we go. The match ended. Honestly, that was great first impressions, though, of the playlist. I have fun, though. I really did have fun. No best play? Okay. Or did they not get one just because it was a nuke? But either way, I'm satisfied about that game. I'm really satisfied. There we go. There's the camo I wanted to have on. Amber Matrix. A black steel camo. I love how it's slowly animated too. Okay, why does the game like automatically give you a DLC weapon when it's like when you don't have a sniper equipped? That's very ironic because it's usually the first like ever default sniper. Oh my gosh. Oh nice, I got a leapy challenge then. Hey, a triple kill. Let's go. Oh. Ooh, where do you think you're going?
Boom! Headshot!
Oh, what? There was no way that connected. Yeah. Dude, this is like one of the most fun playlists I ever have fun with in Call of Duty ever. I absolutely love a playlist like this where it's just sniper chaos. When did it? I wonder if y'all know this. Do y'all know when exactly the whole sniper thing started in Call of Duty or in game in general? Because in my experience, it started all the way back in Black Ops 2.
Boom!
At least I can remember. That's like the least I can remember from my personal experience when playing COD is when the true sniper feeling came out is during Black Ops 2. But I feel like it started all the way back in, I could be wrong, but I think it started like all the way back in maybe MW2, the original MW2, Modern Warfare 2. I could be wrong. Y'all can correct me in the comments if y'all really know the answer to that. I've never been around Call of Duty for that long, but I've started to play Call of Duty during the Black Ops 3 era, and oh my gosh, dude. One of the best Call of Duties, hands down. Did you not see me? Myself a battle pass reward. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of get annoyed that like that most or all the players are using DLC weapon snipers just because they're classified as like a seasonal weapon. It's like just because it's like a seasonal weapon doesn't mean you have to like use it just because of that, you know? Like I don't want to join on that trend where you have to use like the DLC weapon, seasonal weapon that comes out where like it's like part of the cool kids or whatever. But that's just my personal opinion. But then again, I can always play with them if I ever feel like it. No disrespect to anyone out there who actually enjoys using those seasonal weapons in the game. It just feels like I just feel like so many people make it where like you have to use them. It's for every lobby I'm in, just makes it seem that way. But I could always use them if I'm gonna like grind for like prestige camos I want to get because they look so cool. Because you have to use that specific weapon to get that unlocked. Oh, no scope. Bro, what are you doing? Of course, you need to have that sliding maniac energy. Yeah. Weirdo. Like, bro, can you not slide like a maniac, like a sweat would in everyday Call of Duty, and just use snipers as your pure only skill at competition? Casual gamer. It's kind of funny of it. It's kind of funny of a name. display name. What? I'm surprised that one shot I shot did not land on them. Yep. I swear, there's no way that connected. But then again, that's sniper physics for you. I thought that was a collat. I'm hoping, if possible, if I can hit a collat in one of these games. This is so fun. Honestly, when I'm sniping like this in a playlist like this, it makes me feel like Matt McMahon in like the good old days of Call of Duty, because he's a freaking sniper maniac when it comes to like Call of Duty, like especially like BO2, BO3, IW, aka Infinite Warfare, and sometimes AW, Advanced Warfare. But I think it's mostly BO2 and BO3. Like, oh my gosh, dude, he is like a sniper god when it comes to the snipers.
Get shit on!
Oh, where are you? There was a third one. Unless I killed him. I love getting kills like that, where you dive around the corner and just bop.
Success!
Collat! There we go. I called it. In one of my games, I called it. I hit a collat. Let's go. I'm happy. That was so unexpected too. I thought it'd be like a one kill. Oh my gosh, that felt so great. What is that play style? It's like you're sliding like a freaking maniac, right? But you're like trying to get so close to them. It's such a weird way to play. Rant. Why? Why is that your name? Oh, you got a collat? That's cool. That was really cool. No scope. Collat. Oh my gosh. Props to them. Hey, there's me on the left. Oh my gosh, flagship. This has to be like the ultimate map for sniping. Oh yes. Now I forgot what the name of the camo is called, but I put it on screen. I put it on screen.
Boom! Headshot!
Oh, first blood. Yeah, I feel like this map's gonna be great for sniping because it's so close quarters. What is happening?
Get shit on!
From these no scopes I'm attempting to do, it's like the trail is so close on penetrating them. Oh crap, I didn't realize. Buddy, stop trying to do that, okay? It just makes you embarrassing. They try to jump around me, but I just simply no scope them. It's like, bro, stop trying to embarrass yourself and just face me head on. Oh my gosh, they lined up for a collat. Yeah? Like, bro, stop trying to like slide cancel. Stop trying to be a sliding maniac. Oh, no scope. You gotta love those. But like, I mean, then again, I'm sliding, but like, at least I'm not sliding like 5,000 times just to win a gunfight. Long shot. What are you doing? I would not think that no scope would have landed. It's the magic no scopes for you. What? I got a hit marker no scope. What? How is that not a kill? Did y'all see that? I got a no scope hit marker. Oh my gosh. I'm in disbelief. Look at that again, and I got the kill. Let's go, bro. No scope hit markers feel like a freaking weird curse for snipers, but they're funny when they happen. Though I love sniping in Call of Duty. I don't think I've ever said that before, but I love sniping. But I feel like when it comes to sniping in other games like GTA or like Splatoon, any other games like that, I feel like sniping just doesn't hit the same. Like, yeah, GTA has that similar feeling, but it's not entirely like Call of Duty's. Man, that was a really fun game. That was a fun game. I'll take it. Okay, Utopia. This might be interesting because I don't really snipe on... Well, I did snipe a couple of times on this map, but I'm not entirely confident with this map on my sniping skills, but it doesn't hurt to try it out. Terminal camo. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, what's going on here? The sniper was like floating right beside me. Yeah, back to what I was saying about like seasonal, like aka DLC snipers. I just feel like they have somewhat of an unfair kind of advantage with default weapons, if y'all know what I mean. Because it feels like they just perform way faster, and it feels like the shots you land with them are just on point like always. While with default weapons, you kind of just need that precise right aim attraction. You get what I mean. But yeah, it just feels like with default weapons, it feels like you actually put the work into the shot, the kills you get, while DLC weapons, they kind of just give you that little helping hand where they hold your hand, basically doing like the killing for you. In a way, if y'all get what I mean. Oh, like, how is that not a no-scope? I was right in their face. Yeah, it's like stuff like that just makes me wish, like, bro, can you switch to a default sniper? Because it just makes it look like you have an unfair advantage, or really just like a skill issue. Oh, there we go. No scope. Buddy, like, what are you doing? Like, can you stop trying to, like, freaking hypnotize me with your wall jumping? Just face me head on. It's like when you're trying to, like, wall jump me and confuse me, I just simply no-scope them just to, like, sit down, bro.
Get shit on!
Oh my gosh, in the leg. I wonder if people would use the XR3 Ion, I think it's called. The sniper where it acts like the P06 from P06 from BO3. Oh my gosh, that looked like a collat setup. I didn't do as well, but I'll take it. Yeah, I thought so, collat. And that's the best play. I hope you all enjoyed me clapping kids on BO7 with my otherworldly sniper skills. And I'll talk to y'all later. See ya. Alright everybody, I hope y'all enjoyed me doing the snipers only mosh pit in multiplayer in Black Ops 7. Honestly, I had a lot of fun with this mode in the game, and it really sucks that it is going to be taken away sometime, like, usually throughout the cycle of Black Ops 7 and all that. I honestly wish they can keep it here in multiplayer, because I love sniping in this game so much, especially with the VS Recon. That's like my baby in this game. The first sniper rifle you use in this game, except for the DLC weapons and all that. And so yeah, I really like enjoyed this playlist that it has going on right now in the game. I wish, like I said, I just wish they could have kept it in the game, like not get rid of it and all that, because honestly this could be a good way to get sniper camos and all that when you think about it. But and yeah, like I said, and I like to mention before again, like the lack of uploads recently, I know I've been really like slowing down a lot, like content wise and all that. That's because again, I'm just very lazy and all that, and I do work at a job in real life, so that's also like really been like putting a lot of weight on me like that. So it kind of just like makes me want to relax more and all that, and like I said, laziness and all that, and it makes me want to play, like have me some fun time, relax and all that kind of stuff, you would imagine. But yeah, I would say though, I will try to get back on content here for the summer, because it's now like June and all that. I will try to get more content out if I can with games and all that, and I do plan on making a lot more Black Ops 7 content, and I'm definitely not just going to be doing multiplayer content for this game. I'm planning on doing zombies and maybe something like in-game, maybe, if y'all are interested in that. But yeah, anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video of me doing the snipers only playlist, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.